Alright, we are headed out on our first official day.
First day.
Very excited.
I'm gonna tear up some trails, y'all.
We're ready to go. Alright, we are here. So we were first in the line of ATVs, so now we're just
telling people where to go.
Keeping people updated on which turn to take. So we're the direction givers, and we have some lovely company right here. Look at those. Look at them cows. We're in this most beautiful valley, and it smells like Christmas. So there's all these pine trees. We're currently in the middle of a trash competition. We've got about half a bag so far of trash. So we're doing our part. Makes it a really fun thing. We've got these grabbers. You can see Morgan's getting some trash right now. And so we're just getting some trash out of these trails. I'm gonna pan around and show you the whole thing. So as you can see, it's fall, so all the leaves are changing. And it's just gorgeous.
What do you guys say to the YouTube audience?
What's up?
Smash the dislike button.
Smash the dislike button. I'm gonna get 50,000 likes on this video.
Yeah.
Right now. Take this time, pause this video, smash that subscribe button.
Do this hideous card.
So we are going to get this parade rolling. Getting ready to go.
Woo! Gonna go. I'm gonna turn the car on. Beep, beep,
Get
beep,
ready.
beep, beep, beep.
Ready to get this light parade on the road.